In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a task in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and a few practical tips to avoid removing the wrong item. First, head to ClickUp in your web browser. If you're not already in your workspace, sign in and let the dashboard load. Give the page a moment so all your spaces and lists populate. This helps ensure you see the most current tasks and status updates before you make changes. Next, click on your space. You'll find spaces listed in the left sidebar. A space is the highest level container for your work, so choose the one where the task lives. If your workspace has several spaces, hover over the names to reveal their contents and make sure you're entering the correct area. This cuts down on searching later and helps prevent deleting a task from the wrong team or project. Once you're inside the correct space, click on the list that contains your task. Lists are where tasks actually live, often grouped under folders or directly inside the space. If you see different views like Board, Calendar, or Timeline, switch to the list view so you can clearly scan task names in a simple, column-based layout. Take a second to confirm the list title and any filters that might be hiding items. Now, select the task you want to remove. Click the task's name to open its details, or select it from the row if the interface allows quick actions. Double-check it's the right one by looking at the description, assignee, due date, and any subtasks. If the task includes subtasks, be mindful that deleting the parent task can also remove its related items, depending on your workspace settings. With the correct task selected, click the three-dot menu, also known as the ellipsis. This menu typically sits in the top right corner of the task pane or at the end of the task row. It contains advanced actions like duplicating, moving, archiving, and deleting. Finally, click Delete. A confirmation prompt may appear to help you avoid mistakes. Review the message, then confirm. In many workspaces, this moves the task to a trash or recycle area for a limited time, but policies can vary based on permissions and admin settings. If you don't see the delete option, you might not have the necessary permission, so check with your workspace admin. That's it. Go to ClickUp, open the right space, navigate to the correct list, select the task, open the three-dot menu, and choose Delete. Thanks for watching, and proceed carefully when removing tasks.